Hello and welcome to this channel. If you're starting out with X, formerly known as Twitter, I'm going to show you how you can compose your first tweet or message, as well as how you can use the hashtag functions in your tweets. So the first thing you need to do is to log into your Twitter account. Once you are in your account, look for the plus icon that is at the bottom of the screen, as you can see, with the blue circle. Tap on it. And from here you can see the post function, which has a plus and appears as the last option. Go ahead and tap on it. Now you can write a tweet. You can compose your first tweet. Go ahead and write whatever you need or whatever you want. Before you post your tweet, maybe you want to include a hashtag. For you to include a hashtag, tap on the hashtag and then begin to write what you want. So once you begin to write, you'll realize that the feeds will pick all the trending topics that are related to what you're typing, and you can simply tap on one and it will be inserted. If you want to attach a photo, tap on the photo icon that is on the left side corner. Now this will take you direct to your gallery. Go ahead and tap on the photo or the image that you want to insert into your tweet. For you to publish what you have composed, go ahead and tap on post. Your post was sent. Now you can see our post has just been published, and you can go ahead and refresh the page, and here you can see the post that you have just published appear on your profile. In case you didn't see what you have just posted, go ahead and tap on the top left corner and then go on profile, and from here you'll be able to go to your account, and everything that you have published on your account will be available. Kindly support me by subscribing to this channel and liking this video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.